Do you like textured vases like this? I thought it would be beautiful to decorate with flowers like these. CB2 vibes on a budget? I tried it myself. Wait until you see the result. I thrifted this textured vase for just $2.09. First things first, let's clean it up. I actually missed recording the very first coat. Oops! But here's how it looks after the first layer dried. Here I'm spraying on the second coat. The can said it works without sanding or priming, so I decided to give it a try on this vase. I was honestly curious if it would really stick well. After it dried, I was impressed. The finish looked so clean, smooth, and even. And the best part is, the paint really bonded to the surface, no chipping or peeling. It turned out way better than I expected. Now it's time for decorating. I wanted to use the same type of flowers I saw in that CB2 photo, so I picked these up at Hobby Lobby. My favorite box cutter. It's adorable, cuts perfectly, and has a magnet to stick it anywhere. Just like in the CB2 styling, the key is to remove the leaves. It makes the arrangement look so much cleaner. This is the final result. I added a candle next to it, and I'm so happy with how it turned out. It feels so cozy and inviting.